Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate to you that how I got Bump Simulator on my iPhone. So guys, as you can see, I have the game right now in my iPhone, and I'm going to demonstrate in this video tutorial how you can get it also on your mobile. So it works not just for iOS, but it works also for Android devices. So I'm going to play the game, and then later I'm going to show you that how you can get it also the game on your mobiles for free. So let's go to a new game, and let's go to the accept the difficulty normally. And as you can see, the game is running perfectly. We're in loading screen at the moment. So all you need to do, guys, you need to watch the video until the end, and then to make sure that you follow the same steps I'm going to demonstrate in this video tutorial in order to get Bump Simulator on your mobiles for free without needing to pay nothing. So guys, as you can see, the game is running and working perfectly. So let's just do not lose more time and go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the game on your mobiles. So the first step you need to make sure, guys, is that you need to make sure you have good internet on your phone. The second step you need to check before downloading is that you need to go to battery, and you need to check that you are not in low power mode, so this yellow sign should be switch off. All right, so get back in the home menu, and then you need to go to Safari, any kind of browser that you use, and search for a website called freeinjects.com. I'm focusing right here for you. So you go in this website, guys. As in the moment you enter in the website, you are going to face a bunch of applications right over here, so you can get any one of it if you want for free, or you can search in the searching box for the apps and games you are looking for example Bump. Okay, and it says over here, if you read it, download and play Bump Simulator mobile on iOS and Android for free. You just press in the middle and then press download now, and just wait a couple of seconds the loading process to be done. So as you can see, guys, the steps are very simple and very easy. All you need to do, you need to follow the steps exactly I'm showing to you in this video tutorial. So I need to mention one more time, the game, you can get it in all kinds of devices, in iOS and Android devices. You need to use the same steps I'm showing to you in this video tutorial for both of devices. Just a few seconds more and downloading process is almost done, and it sends us to the verifying zone. The next step, which is okay, let me focus, which is saying download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock Bump Simulator on your device. So when you get in this stage, you're going to face a couple of apps, which are all original apps. What I have done in this moment when I came over here, I need to download it 2 apps, and I follow instructions below. For example, State of Survival, it says over here, download and install the app and then run it for 30 seconds to unlock the content. Press in the middle, tap to install. It will send it automatically to the Apple Store, which it means that the apps are original from my App Store and there is nothing to get worried about it. In my case, it shows open because I downloaded the game before for myself, and I used the State of Survival Walking Dead app as my app to choosing. And if you don't have the game, in your case, it will show the sign of downloading. What you have to do, you need to press download. After download, you need to open and run it for 30 seconds. The reason why you need to run it for 30 seconds is because it's enough time that the information processes from the website to the game. So what you need to do, you need to open it after and run it for 30 seconds. So in this case, you just need to wait at least 30 seconds. After you complete this process, you get back, go to the website, choose another app, and follow the same steps also. So as you can see over here, I have State of Survival. Let me focus, State of Survival and iOS Social Calendar. If you go to the website, here it is, iOS Social Calendar and State of Survival. It's not that you need to choose exactly these 2 apps, but me, I chose these 2 ones because it was more simple to do it, and it popped up on my phone after I downloaded the second app. So guys, this was my video tutorial for today. So if it helped to you and it worked for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So one more time, you get in the website, when you get in this phase, choose 2 apps, download it and run it for 30 seconds, and then later you're gonna have Bump Simulator on your mobiles without needing to pay nothing. So guys, one more time, thank you for watching. Cheers.